Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change your Shopify theme. So if you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So as you can see, this is right now my Shopify dashboard, and you just need to click on this online store right here. It will automatically redirect you to the themes, and as you can see, the current theme that I have is a Dawn theme. So if you want to actually change your theme, what you can do is you can click on this Add Theme right here. Then in here, you can visit the theme store. So click on this one, and then this will redirect you to a new page wherein you can see all of the themes that you can have on your Shopify. So we can just wait for this right here. So as you can see, once it's loaded, you should be able to see the themes that you have. So as of right now, we have this Dawn theme. You can also use this created theme. And as you can see, they have a price right here. So if you want to spend a few money, then you can just get the theme that you want. But fret not, because there are still some free alternatives like this craft, retina, or spotlight. And in here, you just need to choose a theme that you want in here. So for example, let's use this Sense theme right here. So let's click on this. And then once you have clicked on this, you can just head over and click on this Try Theme. And then in here, this will load your theme. So it will add the Sensor Online Store theme, and you should be able to see this on your Shopify dashboard once it has redirected you to there. So as you can see, this will load like this, and in just a few seconds, it will show you the Sense theme that's here. As you can see, it's adding the Sense theme, and it is actually loading right now. It will only take some seconds in order for this to finish the loading process. Once it has finished the loading process, you can click on this Publish button right here in order to publish this theme that you have on your actual store. After that, click on Publish, and you should be ready to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!